So what we are actually offering here is our Dragonwing solutions for the oil and gas industry. What we see here is actually a 3D demonstration or 3D model of an oil refinery. And we are presenting here technologies that Qualcomm currently has to address various problems within this industry. What you see here is a demonstration table, and every side of the table actually has a unique problem that Qualcomm is trying to solve here. And what we are seeing here is actually a worker's assistance demo where we use Qualcomm's on-device AI capabilities to help train workers and troubleshoot problems that you can have in the industry. And on the other side, what we have is a surveillance solution, which actually offers great surveillance opportunities and people tracking benefits using our on-prem AI solutions that we have. And on the other end, we have on-device AI capabilities demonstrated here on this table, where you can detect people wearing PPE and other use cases. So our latest on-device and on-prem AI solutions offer excellent security for our customers, where their data doesn't leave their premise and stays within their organization. So that's the unique selling point for our products here.